is all our fidgets.
We only have a little bit.
Yeah, we got 1, 2,
And
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
9 fidgets. Yeah, with 8 hands. We promised that he should be here.
Again.
It's on pause.
Yeah, it's on pause. Okay, wait, let's do it. No! Instant. Okay.
Yeah, on the top. Oh, there.
Okay. So what?
Should we redo this
Okay,
video?
so this is the first fidget. We got a lot of puppets.
Yeah.
And it's a rainbow square
Cooking.
puppet.
I got something else that is rainbow. It's kind of rainbow.
It's my phone case.
Yeah, we took it off because it's a puppet too.
Yeah, this is the second puppet.
Now,
This is
my
the
favorite.
third. Yeah, this is mine, but she really wants it.
And I really like it.
My classmate gave me this.
It's really cool.
Okay, now this is not a fidget.
It's
It's like the remote control fidget.
yeah. Can I play with that now? See?
Okay, that's you got this.
It's not really a fidget too,
But it's like a fidget.
yeah.
And this is the next one.
It's not really a
It's
fidget.
squishy.
Yeah, it's a squishy. Well, we have a moshi, but we lost it.
Yeah, and a walkie track, but we lost it. And a simple dimple. Okay, now
Ethan, you show your toys.
No.
And we got a lot more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What
A
is
lot.
this called again?
A monkey noodle. A monkey noodle.
And our last fidget.
What is this? It's a
It's
puppet
a
bracelet.
bracelet.
It's a puppet bracelet.
Yeah, purple one.
Sometimes I think it's a snake.
Like that.
Wait, simple.
You're
Did you
How
show
about
the
this?
simple?
I mean
Yeah.
this one.
Pen. No, that's just a pen.
That's our dad.
Yeah, that's our dad. The way we
And
put me.
comment down below if you have any puppets or fidgets.
And any pretend.
Bye.